Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0595S in color code 006. The color of the frame is gold, and the lenses are gray gradient. And these glasses are a round shape. Around the frame, you'll find a black and red pattern. Its temples are black and red. And you'll find the Gucci emblem in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its top right lens is the Gucci logo engraved. On its nose pads, you'll find the Gucci emblem in gold. And this is what you see when you wear the frame. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 64 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.